Excuse my nails, because you know the nail salon is closed. What's up, goodies? I know it's been a really long time since I last posted, but I'm back with this super cute, glamorous, smoky eye look. I just wanted to do something fun. I know it's a really weird time right now. The coronavirus is literally all over the world, and so a lot of us are not really living our usual lives, going outside, going places. Everything is kind of shut down, but I hope you guys are finding, you know, ways to kind of keep busy at home and stay in good shape and stay healthy and happy. So yeah, if you're just bored and you want to try a new look, now is a good time, because if you mess up, nobody's gonna see you. Or even if you're just like, you just want to watch something, you on YouTube scrolling, watching video after video, check your girl out. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment below, tell me what you want to see next. I'm hoping that you want to keep watching, because you made it this far, you might as well watch the whole tutorial. Let's get into it. Start on my eyebrows. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz pencil. I don't remember the name, I just know it's the skinnier one. So I just hope everyone is holding up. You know, it's a really weird time. Miss Rona is kind of running wild and free. But I will say that it is the perfect time, not perfect, but since we're kind of just stuck indoors and whatever, like probably not going anywhere anytime soon, like going out, it's a good time to just practice makeup if like you're interested in learning or just getting better. Like, you're not going anywhere, so if you mess up and it looks weird, like whatever, it's only you and whoever else is in the place that you're quarantined. It's a good time to just try new things, try new looks. My angle brush and my ColourPop concealer in medium 26, and I'm just going to highlight under my brows. Excuse my nails, because you know the nail salon is closed. But I just blend that out my finger, especially when I don't have any nails on, because it's just easier, you feel me? Get on there nice and smooth and sleek. But today I'm going to do concealer, just because, like, even though it's gonna be a smoky eye and it's gonna be black, and black will usually show up either way, I just want to make sure that it's like pigmented and the colors like really pop. So I'm gonna do a little concealer today to make sure we got a good base. This Morphe palette, it's Copper Spice 25A. Bam. I'm gonna go in first with this kind of peachy color, orangey situation happening here. I like when I do my smoky eyes to choose like really warm colors to transition, like oranges type of thing, orangey, bronzy. Yeah, that about it. And it's like a nice progression from the black. The Naked Urban Decay Heat palette, use the color He Devil, and I'm just gonna pack that in my crease because it's going to help when we are transitioning from the really dark black to like this orangey, bronzy, burnt orange, burnt red situation. I'm gonna go back with the fluffy brush so that I can blend all of this caca out. Some serious blended. I like to do little circular motions, as well with this brush especially, just because it's like fluffy enough for me to do that, and that really helps me you know, blend the colors so it looks more seamless and not like patchy and stuff. Okay, you see me. I'm gonna take this black, I'm gonna shake it off a little, and I'm just going to pack it on my lid. What's gonna happen is I'm going to blend it up. So I'm gonna have it cover like just the bottomish part of my lid, like kind of where I would do a cut crease or where anyone would do a cut crease. And then I'm gonna blend it out after that. But I wanna make sure the color is really packed on so that it's nice and pigmented. You know, it's not a cut crease. You're gonna end up blending it. So if the edges aren't clean, that's fine. All right, and I'm gonna take this flat brush and we gonna blend. See how this is all the way down there? Don't worry about that because we're gonna clean that up. That's why we do the eyes first. Now I'm going to go in with my NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation in the color Syracuse. This is like, you know how everyone has their like go-to that even if they try other foundations, they'll always go back to this one. Like that's this girl for me. Oh my god, my nails look disgusting. Can't wait for the nail salons to open back up. But I'm gonna just paint that. Oh my, you see that color? Like, this is why I use this foundation so much. Like, the match is, it's perfect. This is my skin. This is actually my skin. Also, I have braided my hair because I'm trying to tap into some protective styles while we're just, you know, home and not going out. That's another thing. If I'm not wearing wash and go, it's in a bun and it is slicked to the slick down. And, you know, there's a lot of gel and brushing and stuff. So, you know, anyways, just giving it a break. That's the moral. The moral of the story is it needs a break. And I braided it myself. I had nothing but time, so why not, right? All right. Then I'm going to take my Fenty concealer in the color 330. I'm going to just pack that right on in. Blends so like it's like real seamless. Like, look at this blend. Then I'm going to take my Old Faithful LA Pro Girl concealer in the color Beautiful Bronze. I really tried to get into this cream contour stuff. I really did, but listen, I really can't. It doesn't work for me. I don't know. It does not work for me. I've tried. I mean, I can make it work, but I just feel like liquid is a lot easier to blend out, and so that's what we're gonna do. Just a little something, because we are gonna go over it with some bronzer as well to kind of give it a extra oomph and to set it. Such a freaking struggle. Love that for me. So yeah, I like Beautiful Bronze because it's like a soft contour as opposed to something really hard. I'm just gonna take the end of this beauty blender and just dab this in, and I'm going to put some blacky, and I'm gonna do it on my lower lash line, and I'm gonna pray that I don't make a stupid mess because that is gonna get me upset. Girls, there's no, you know, fallout happening. I love that for us. Sometimes your finger can do exactly what you need it to do when it comes to blending. You know, sometimes you don't need to pick up one big brush. It can just, anyways. I'm gonna just clean this up a little bit. For a little extra razzle dazzle, I'm gonna put this Ulta Beauty silver glitter because I don't want it to be like full intense glitter. I just want a little some, and I want to make sure it sticks. So we're just gonna go and take just a little dab. We're gonna put it on. Oh yeah, that is perfect. That's perfect. Oh, frick. I got some fallout, but that's all right. That is okay. Bam. Come on now. Like, whenever we get off of punishment, you going out, your first night outside, this might be the one. Might have to hit him with a little smoky eye with a dab of glitter on top. These Lilly lashes, let me tell you how these joints are my favorites. These are in Miami, and I love them, and I'm gonna keep wearing them, you know. Just want you to see what we're working with. Things are happening, and it just gives you the extra little shebang bang badang dang that you need. Now let me go back to finishing my face. I'm gonna set with Fenty Beauty setting powder and banana, then go right under my eyeball. I really just pack it on to make sure that it will suck up any oil for now, and hopefully for the rest of the night or the day or whatever, you know, whenever you're doing this look. Even though I hope it's night, because it's kind of like a nighttime vibe. Just gonna dust away. All right. Then we are going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in the color Saddle. I got this little mini YSL mascara called The Shock. I'm just using it for the bottom. But I'm gonna go in with this MAC highlighter. It's so old. I don't even know if they make this color anymore. It's called Center of Attention. And it has pink with little golds. And it's just really pretty. And I'm gonna use that right onto the brow. Just to give me a little extra glam. You know, nothing crazy, but just like a little extra pop. I'm gonna use this NARS blush in Orgasm. You know what's so crazy? I don't even wear blush that often, but look, I done made it down to the pan. So maybe I am a secret blush lover and I've just been lying. And then I'm gonna go in with highlight. Did I forget anything? No, I didn't. Okay. We're still going. Gonna pop that in right there. Right at the cheekbone, at the top. Put a little on my nose. And then go on my MAC pencil in the color Plum. You know, gotta make sure it looks good. So first I'm gonna go in with Patrick Ta's gloss in the color She's an Influencer. How fitting. And then on top of that, I'm gonna go in MAC's Ice Dream lip gloss. And then, you know, we're gonna pretend I'm going somewhere. Spray. Set that thing. And this is the finished look.